How to report lost or stolen Target Red Card. Hey everybody, if you have also lost or stolen, if your card has been stolen, you may follow the steps in order to report it to Target. So what you can do is if you are trying to report it online, you can head over to your Target account, navigate to the section for managing a Target Circle card. Usually for that, we need to head over to account at the top, and from there you can look out for manage account, tap on it. And once you are there, you can look out for options to reset, report a lost or stolen card, or to manage your card's security feature. For that, you may scroll down from the options and look out for the card option. For example, payments, tap on it. And you may just go ahead and look out for the card that you've added here. And if there's any kind of option to report a lost or stolen card, you may just go ahead and follow the prompts to report the card and place a payment, and that way you can follow up that process. Or if there's any option available to lock your card within your website, you can just go ahead and temporarily lock your card through the online account. That can be a useful step to immediately take while you search for your card. This is the method you can apply it. But if you would like to report another way, we have the process to contact Target Guest Services. You can just go ahead and type in Target Guest Services, hit enter, and when you go ahead and search that here, you will be finding some numbers available, or you can directly look out for this website, which is target.com/contact us, or you can call them at this toll-free number available on their website, where you can just go ahead and explain that your card is lost or stolen and request to have it deactivated. You can also report it through the online chat feature available on the Target website. After reporting the card is lost or stolen, you will likely need to request a replacement card. This can often be done during the same phone call or the online process that you're following up. And that is it. So you may follow up this process if you would like to report lost or stolen Target Red Card. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.